So, hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, I came with lots of important opportunity from the Mastercard, Genpact, and other important hiring. So, if you are the freshers looking for job, then you can just follow this video. So, first important opportunity that is from the Opengov, and this is one of the important opportunity. So, Opengov is leader in AI and ERP solutions. They provide ERP means enterprise resource planning and lots of solutions are there. So this will be your responsibility. You will contribute to monitoring and operations of internal security, maintain adherence to SLAs and other stuff. So qualification part, you should have hands-on cyber security experience, and if you have some knowledge of AWS, then this will be a great opportunity and you are fit for this role. Coming to next important opportunity, that is from the shine.com. Okay, they are hiring for the role of product management intern. So job location is Gurgaon and work from office duration is 6 months. So if you are interested in this internship, you can just share your resume to this mail ID. Moving to next important opportunity, that is from the Valeo. So this is also a great opportunity for the fresher who are 2026 pass out, and they are hiring for the role of graduate engineer training, test and validation. So earlier I also provided update, but still hiring is going on. So you should apply for this. Job location will be Chennai, and these will be your roles and responsibilities. So I will provide complete job link in the description. Just go through it. My friends, keep applying for off-campus drive too. Don't completely depend on your college. In every video I'm telling you, okay? And we regularly post lots of important opportunities, so you can just follow that. Next important opportunity, that is walk-in drive at Wipro, Kolkata. Freshers hiring. This is also freshers hiring, and walk-in date is 23rd March to 25th March, and timing is 11 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. So job role is a vice process. So this is a non-tech profile. If you are interested and if you have good communication skill, or if you want to share this opportunity with your other graduate students, such as from the those who want to enter into corporate life, you can just share them. Okay. Moving to next important opportunity from the Kroll, they are hiring for the role of trainee portfolio valuation. So they will basically work on currently market situation not good, but they are hiring for the role of portfolio valuation trainee, and these will be your roles and responsibility. So you will performing in depth client, competitor, industry, and market economy research, performing valuation analysis, and means you will basically work on stock market related things. And so who are eligible? So bachelors of commerce or business administration in finance, yeah, accounting, economics, students are eligible for this, and this is a wonderful opportunity. Everyone should apply. Okay, and make sure to share with anyone who are from the commerce background. So if you want to share, you can share with your friends too. Next important opportunity, that is a very good important opportunity. But before talking about this, friends, if you have been selected for any interview and want to schedule mock interview with us, then you can schedule with us. We'll provide you dedicated guidance and complete support, which will basically help you to clear these important job interview. We have already provided more than 50 plus selections in TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, Deloitte. So if you want, you can fill the form. So coming to this role, that is from the Mastercard, they are hiring for the role of software engineer 1 and software engineer. This is a full time role है, तो ये बहुत अच्छा opportunity है. तो I will suggest everyone you should apply. And requirement, you can just go through the complete link in the description. So this will be your responsibility. Will develop CI/CD pipeline, leverage the opportunity persistence, exhibit teamwork and all. So if you have some experience in PCF or CI/CD, then this will be a great opportunity for you. Next important opportunity, they are hiring for the role of HR executive recruiter in-house. Company is Man Travel, location Gurgaon, sector 34. So if you are interested, this is a full-time role and some experience is required for this. Okay, friends, I will say keep applying for this. Okay, this is also an important opportunity from the Micron, and that is the freshers hiring. So you should apply for this important opportunity. Okay, so for applying, just click here the link and you will be redirected to the role. Coming to last important opportunity, that is from the Genpact. And again, this is a wonderful hiring, and I will suggest everyone, especially who are eligible, you should apply for this. Okay, so Genpact is hiring or inviting application for the account payable role in Kolkata, and freshers are eligible for this. So you have to just provide all these details. So if you are from the BCom, BBA, MCom, MBA, or if you have qualified CA or CA intern, then this is a wonderful opportunity. You can just apply for that, and you should be flexible to work and all those things. If you are freshers, then you can get. Okay, and you can just provide, means this is for all immediate, or you can say fresher for some experience and all those people. So you can just apply. Friends, we regularly post lots of important job update. Currently we are posting lots of coding questions from the TCS which is going on. Okay, so those who are preparing for TCS, just prepare and follow our channel. You will be basically selected. Okay, and we provide lots of preparation material in WhatsApp Telegram groups. If you want, you can join that group. It will really helpful for you. And in the meantime, if you want to apply for Infosys Spring Boot internship, another important internship, just apply. Okay, कोई भी query, feel free to ask. You can connect me on LinkedIn and follow me at WhatsApp, Insta or anything. any भी query आप पूछ सकते हैं. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.